KDR icon of music and philanthropy, Apple de Al. He will also receive 70,000 pesos.
What's up, wishers? What's up, Arineta? First of all, I'd like to thank God. Big shout out to my mom and my family in Pampanga. Kumusta na kayo, kabalin? Maraming salamat to Wish for this recognition, and it's truly an honor. Thank you for creating a platform with engaging content to promote OPM in our community and outside of our community, representing OPM. So maraming salamat, Wish. The Apple de Al Foundation nowadays focuses on keeping family together, creating more jobs, education, from EV education to semiconductor and to agriculture. I grew up farming, so I'm back into farming. Are we back? Okay, we're back. And agriculture, and of course, music. As a musician, I know firsthand having to leave your family and going abroad. It was a tough moment for me, but at the same time, it was a blessing because I got to start my career in music in the US. And quite frankly, if I stayed in the Philippines, it probably would have taken me twice as long. But nowadays, that's not the case anymore. OPM is blowing up. And congratulations to all the amazing, talented artists in this room today. It's a privilege to be with you guys. And once again, I got to work with some of you guys, SB19. And I can't wait to collaborate more. What's up, Beanie? Flo G. And once again, Wish, thank you very much. And let's keep supporting each other, believe in each other, keep growing the industry in our country. We don't have to make it, we don't always have to make it in the US. Let's start it in our country. Maraming salamat, Wish, and thank you very much.
Again, congratulations to our... Now, it's time to unveil our KDR icon of musical excellence. Let's all watch this.
Love sometimes is a hard story to tell, hard to understand, and hard to express. Until we hear ours in a song. Just like what a gifted musician like Augie Alcacid has been offering since day one. He is one of the country's most sought-after singer-songwriters who knows how to tell love stories through words and notes. From being an alumnus of the popular high school singing group Kundirana in 1985, he went on to become one of today's most esteemed hit makers. Through the years, his songs have touched souls, reminding us of what it means to promise
ang lagi kong panaginip. Tayong dalawa ay laging magmamahalan.
To hope,
Ibigin ka at sa habang panahon, ikaw ay magkasama.
and express the deepest sentiments of the heart.
Huwag ka lang mawawala kapag nariyan ka ako'y sumisigla. Kahit hindi ko pa kaya ang magmahal, sana sa akin ay hindi magsasawa.
Tonight, we're giving honor to the contributions he has made to the OPM scene. Ladies and gentlemen, our KDR icon of musical excellence, Mr. Ogie Alcacid.
Mr. Ogie Alcacid. Apart from the KDR trophy, he will also receive a cash prize worth 100,000 pesos.
Baba nito ah. Grabe kayo ah. Baba oh. What's up, Bandang Wishers? Binabati ko lang lahat ng mga fans ko. Yung mga 50 and above, nasan kayo? Mami, I love you. Sa inyo mga fans ko, 50 and below. Salamat. Alam nyo, sa OPM, kami ni na Sir Noel Cabangon, kami ni na Gary V, Jo Marichan, Christian Bautista. Huwag kayong pa-bobola dyan, matanda na rin yan. You know, once upon a time, sabi namin, sana magkaroon tayo ng, an awards night na kung saan magsasama-sama lahat ng mga mahuhusay natin, mga artists. Tapos magkakantahan sila. Tapos bibigyan natin ng cash yung mga awardees. Pagkatapos yung mga fans nila nandoon. Etong gabing ito, isa siyang naging realidad dahil sa Wish Music Awards. Ang galing niyo. Maraming salamat. Ito pong advokasya namin sa OPM naging realidad dahil sa iyo. Dahil sa inyo. Bago po ako makalimot, nais ko lang pong pasalamatan si Rob Daniel. Napakagwapo mo, anak. Bagay na bagay sa iyo yung mga kanta ko. Lalo kang pumugi. Palagay ko anak kita. No, really, Rob, thank you. You sang it with so much heart. I appreciate it. Nais kong pasalamatan din si Stel. Dahil siya nag-design ng damit ko. Magkaiba pagkakasunod. Love you, man. At, well, itong award na ito, reminder ito sa akin na itong ginagawa naming advokasya sa OPM, panghabang buhay. You know, once upon a time, may isang napakagaling na singer-songwriter. His name is Jo Marie Chan. Kilala natin siya, di ba? Siya yung gumaganon. Ninong ko po yun Siya pa yung wene, siya po yun Sinabi niya, music is the language of the soul. Huwag mo na kayo pumalakpak, di ba tapos Kung kaya, naniniwala ako sa gabing ito, OPM is the language of the Filipino soul. At napakaraming puso't kaluluwa ngayon ang napakasaya dahil pinagbubunyi natin ang musikang Pilipino. Ito ring award na ito ay tatago ko dahil magpapaalala ito na may mga taong nagmamahal sa akin na hindi po dahil sa kanila, hindi po ako magiging musiko. Unang-una yung mao kong ama at yung nanay ko na unang naniwala sa akin na sabi niya kahit maliit ako, pwede rin ako maging ganap na bituin. Sa aking yumaong manager na si Leo Dominguez na nagsabing kahit na nung panahon namin ay napakatangkat ng mga singer, meron din akong kalalagyan. Kay Ray Lanyada at syempre sa LVD Management at sa A-Team, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Sa aking pamilya, ang aking napakaraming mga anak, si Lila, si Sarah at si Nate, kayo ang aking inspirasyon. At syempre, sa aking butihing may bahay, na nagsilbing lakas at kahinaan ko. Kung kaya't ako'y nakabuo ng mga awitin na nanggaling sa aking puso. Regine, I love you. Thank you. At sa lumikha sa akin ang ating mahal na Panginoon, salamat. Thank you for the gifts of music. Sa aking ASAP family, at syempre sa Showtime family, you continue to inspire me to do my best. Sa inyo, mga fans, sana huwag kayong magsasawa. Buhay na buhay ang musikang Pilipino dahil sa inyong lahat. God bless you. God bless OPM. Wish Music Awards, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Thank you.
Our icons indeed. Biro mo dito sa WMA, they are now within reach. They are now inspiring us with their words, with their lives. Congratulations, Apple the App. Palakpakan po natin ulit. And Mr. Ogie Alcacid, well deserved. Also, shout out to Rob. Palakpakan po natin ulit for that wonderful tribute. Pag nag-concert si Sir Ogie at si Apple, ano title ng concert?
Ano?
Gusto mo ba talaga? Sabi ko ba talaga?
Mag-joke ka ba?
Oo.
Kinakabahan ako.
Kabahan ka talaga. Ready ka na?
Okay.
Ogie the App.
I I think sponsored by Spotify. Pwede.
Sir Ogie, that's for you.
Mag-thank you siya sa'yo mamaya. Pero those were beautiful speeches. Kuya Ogie, I could see the Senti in you. He loves OPM so much so that he is the OPM president. And you could really feel yung pasasalamat niya sa bawat isa na nagpapatuloy na sumuporta sa musikang Pilipino.
Amen.
Thank you so much.